How to rapidly grow your Instagram page in 2020 without breaking their terms of services and wasting your time scrolling your feed all day long. Coming up. Unfortunately, the Instagram algorithm has changed, big time. And if you've landed on this video, you probably don't know what to do anymore when it comes to growing your followers and engagement in 2020. And I can't blame you. I mean, tactics used back in 2017, 18 and 19 simply do not work anymore in 2020. If this is you, make sure to watch this video all the way through the end, as you love what I have in store for you. Hey, my name is Geraldo Alken from the yrcharisma brand, helping you create your brand your way. On this channel we feature a lot of social media marketing help, revenue growth and business tips, so if you're new out here, consider subscribing and also ring the bell to make sure you don't miss a thing. While old tactics like follow and the effectiveness of using third-party softwares to grow your account, it cleared the platform of most bots and created a new exciting space for new and, in my opinion, more rewarding growth methods, which have really changed the way to go about your Instagram game moving forward. In this video, I'll reveal my 7 secrets to rapidly grow your Instagram page with real, active, niche engaged followers within Instagram terms and services in 2020. Coming up. So before going into the 7 tips, I quickly want to show you some results of an account I've tested them on. So ever since 2 months ago, I've managed to grow this account with an average of 100 strictly niche, top tier and engaged followers a day. I'm talking top tier, buy hungry leads, engaging with my content and actually buying the stuff on one of my websites. If you check it out, you can also see the engagement rate is above average, and in comparison with most accounts out there, the trust score is sky high, just by implementing these 7 hacks. Tip number 1. So first of all, niche down. Think of a clear message you want to spread amongst your target audience and start spreading it. If your message and content is not geared toward a specific audience and your page is kind of all over the place, you're not going to win. So fix that first. Secondly, create valuable and exciting content, worth engaging with, and do this consistently. From this content, analyze which posts perform best amongst your current target audience and find out why. If you're not sure what to post, check what's working for the leaders in your industry to get inspired. Also implement video content within your Instagram page. Videos drive a ton of engagement and in my opinion are currently ranking higher on hashtags and explore feeds. After uploading, use Instagram stories as a way to attract your current followers over to your page and engage with the content. The better your engagement, the better your trust score, the better your reach, the better your growth. Thirdly, use the hashtag staircase methodology to start dominating hashtags within your niche and get your content in front of your perfect target audience. Make sure to use hashtags strictly related to your niche. The majority of your tags should be within a fair range for you to rank for. So using hashtags like love, mood, instagood won't get you anywhere. Now let's dive into the how and what of the hashtag staircase methodology. First of all, you find a huge variety of hashtags, super closely related to your niche. You put them in a note and remove any of them that aren't niche specific enough. Sometimes hashtags will be used for 2 or more niches. Remove those ones, you don't want to have them within your pool. Make 4 columns of hashtags, ranking from A, B, C to D. Go through all hashtags with different popularity levels. Go to Instagram and put them into the search bar. Take a look at the top 6 photos for every hashtag and see how many likes and engagement you need in order to rank for that hashtag. Order these hashtags in your columns. In column A, the post you'll always rank for. In column B, the post you'll most likely rank for. Column C, posts you'll sometimes rank for. And column D, posts you probably won't rank for. Create 3 groups of hashtags using the hashtag staircase methodology described earlier and use these for your posts. Tip 4. Engage with your perfect target audience and do this daily. Don't forget to engage with your own timeline too. You need the interaction with your own followers to be able to rank in both hashtags and explore. Tip 5. create a loyal community around your page and tag them in your posts to let them know you've uploaded content that's ready to be liked and engaged with. Use it to build that initial engagement. Tip 6. Boost your best performing posts, preferably videos, amongst your target audience using the Facebook Ad Manager. This will generate a flood of new views, likes, comments, and traffic over to your page, getting your best performing posts up to 100,000 or for some ad budgets to even over 1 million views, if done right. Tip 7. Retarget engagers through both story and feed ads that did not follow you after interacting or watching a certain percentage of your videos within your viral post group. From here, you draft and split test several story and feed creators with a captivating hook, a short story or showcase containing what you do, and a powerful call to action. All under 15 seconds. Doing this will give you the chance to grab those engagers and people who've initially shown an interest in your page and convert them to followers for pennies on the dollar. There you have it, my 7 hacks to rapidly grow Instagram pages in 2020. Now, if you're still having second thoughts about the advertising strategy I've explained in tips 6 and 7, I've created a free video training explaining this strategy more in depth. I'll link it up in the description down below or on the top right of this video. I hope that helps. Now that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, share it with your friends. And I would also love to know, what have you found working best in terms of engagement and Instagram growth in 2020? I'd love to chat about it. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next one.